Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno11 F and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, and as you can see, unfortunately we do not have the timer icon anywhere right here, which means that we have to enter the settings. So the settings are right here in the right upper corner, so just tap on this three bars icon. And fortunately the timer is right here, so we do not have to enter the full list of the settings. We've got it highlighted. In this device we've got three different options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to apply, it will be immediately highlighted. What is more, and it is a really nice touch, we've got the timer set inside the shutter button, so you can always quickly check whether you've got the timer set or not without the need to enter the settings. So you will not be surprised after tapping on the shutter button and seeing that your device is counting down. Alright, so all we have to do right now is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, of course depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, so this is how it works, and of course you can always turn off the timer just by tapping on this three bars icon again and tapping on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.